Hello everyone, welcome to this session on Advanced Java Collections Framework. In today's lecture, we will learn about iterator, two important components of the Java Collections Framework. You will understand how an iterator helps traverse collections safely, how vector stores and manages dynamic data, and the best practices for using these classes in modern Java programming. What is an iterator? An iterator is the standard mechanism used to traverse elements stored in a Java collection. It was introduced in JDK 1.2 as part of the Java Collections framework and replaced the older enumeration interface. Every collection provides an iterator method that returns an iterator object. Unlike enumeration, iterator also allows safe removal of elements while traversing a collection. Iterator interface methods. The iterator interface provides three essential methods. The hasNext method checks whether another element is available. The next method retrieves the next element and moves the cursor forward. The removee method safely removes the last element returned by the iterator. Together, these methods make collection traversal simple, efficient, and safe. Iterator example. Let's understand iterator with an example. Here, an array list contains a list of student marks. Using the iterator method, we traverse each element one by one. If a student's mark is less than 40, the removeIt method deletes it safely during traversal. After the loop completes, only the qualifying marks remain in the collection. Fail, fast vs fail, safe iterators. Java iterators are classified as fail, fast, and fail, safe. Fail, fast iterators immediately throw a concurrent modification exception if the collection is modified while it is being traversed. On the other hand, fail, safe iterators work on a copy of the collection, allowing modifications without causing exceptions. Understanding this difference helps developers write safer and more reliable programs. List iterator, a more powerful cursor. List iterator extends the iterator interface with additional features. It supports both forward and backward traversal using methods such as next and previous. It also allows adding, updating, and removing elements while iterating through a list. Because of these advanced capabilities, List Iterator is ideal for applications requiring flexible navigation through list-based collections. Iterator use cases and best practices. Iterator is the recommended choice for traversing Java collections. It should be preferred over enumeration because it supports modern collection classes and allows safe element removal instead of calling list. Removing directly inside a loop, developers should always use iterator. Remove it to avoid runtime exceptions. For lists requiring backward traversal or element updates, list iterator is the better choice.